Good morning and welcome to our Friday assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online!
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our seasonal concert. Huge thanks and shout out to Mr. Flynn for putting together a lovely seasonal concert for us all to enjoy. We've missed some of the things that we normally do at this time of year, so it's really nice to have something wonderful to help celebrate this festive season. Thank you, Mr. Flynn, and all the students who participated. We're in for a lovely treat.
Bienvenue à notre spectacle. Welcome to our junior school performance of Paint GNS December.
Today we will be sharing a short holiday performance created by the GNS Senior School. On vous invite à célébrer les nombreuses traditions et à partager notre esprit de fête. Let us paint GNS December. Continue our musical journey by having the grade 4 classes perform an arrangement of the song Siyahamba. Siyahamba is an old freedom march song that comes from South Africa.
This song makes connection to the 7 Swahili words that appear in the Kwanzaa tradition. Kwanzaa is celebrated over the month of December. Kwanzaa is a holiday that began in North America celebrating African heritage.
But what are the 7 Swahili words and what do they mean?
Imani,
that means faith.
Kumba,
creativity.
Ujama,
cooperation.
Umoja,
unity.
Ujima,
responsibility.
Mia,
purpose.
Kujikakulia, self-determination.
holiday spirit all over the school. In our next song, we will show you how much fun the holiday season can be. The grade 2 classes will share the song Rocking Around the Rooftop.
Rocking on the rooftop, rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop, rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop. We'll be rocking tonight. Elf on the housetop, reindeer paws, out jumps little Santa Claus. Down to the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down to the chimney with good singing. Rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop, rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop, rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop. We'll be rocking tonight. First on the stocking of little Nell. Oh dear Santa, feeling well. Give her a dolly that laughs and cries. One that'll open and shut its eyes. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down to the chimney with good singing. Rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop, rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop, rock, rock, rocking on the rooftop. We'll be rocking tonight. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws, up jumps good little Santa Claus. Down to the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down to the chimney with good singing.
The Gift of Nothing by Patrick MacDonald. It was a special day, and Mooch wanted to give his best friend Earl a gift. But what to get him? He had a bowl, he had a bed, he had a chewy toy, squeak. He had it all. Mooch thought and thought, what do you get someone who has everything? Nothing! He would give Earl the gift of nothing. But in this world filled with so many somethings, where could he find nothing? Mooch often heard Frank say there was nothing on TV. But as far as Mooch could tell, there was always something on TV. Mooch often heard Doozy and her friends say, there's nothing to do. But as far as Mooch could tell, everybody was always doing something. Millie came home from the store and said there was nothing to buy. So Mooch went shopping. Mooch looked up and down every aisle. He found many, many, many somethings. The latest this, the newest that. But as far as he could tell, nothing was not for sale. Oh, so Mooch went home and sat on his pillow and stayed still, as cats often do. And not looking for it, he found nothing. So he went and got a box and put nothing in it. Then Mooch thought, maybe Earl deserves more than this. So he got a bigger box. And now that's plenty of nothing. And he took it over to Earl's house. For me, said Earl. Mooch, you didn't have to give me anything. Who told him, thought Mooch. Earl opened Mooch's gift. Huh? There's nothing in here, said Earl. Yes, said Mooch, nothing. But me and you. So Mooch and Earl just stayed still and enjoyed nothing and everything. I hope you like this story. It's really about, sometimes it's not the things in life that make us the happiest, but our friendship with others. And I know it's in the time of COVID, it's a little bit hard, but you stay close with the people you love, and that's pretty much better than anything. So thanks for listening, everybody. And now on to some more music.
That sounds really great. These classrooms all over GNS are starting to look like the holiday season. I really like the look of these snowflakes and how complex their shapes can be.
I think one of the most magical pieces of the winter season is the snowflakes that fall down from the sky. When I go to bed, I imagine all the snow floating down and melting in the morning.
Single snowflakes flutter down, sprinkle softness on the town. One by one they drift, icing sugar sift, dusting over all the ground. Snowflakes flutter, single snowflakes flutter down, softness on the sprinkle softness on the town. By one they drift, icing sugar sift, dusting over all the crystals of water spun into design, lacy and satin, unique and so fine, dazzling as diamonds. These awesome reflects, snowflakes are falling, floating, falling. Snowflakes are falling and sifting on down. Evening noises hush and evening noises hush and brightness covers all the brightness covers all the bit by bit the night. Leaves a blanket white, cover for the earth is covered for the earth is made.
Just look at all of those wonderful pieces of artwork. It has been fun and amazing celebration of colors and sounds of December. For our last song, we will be sharing a piece titled Hearts Around the World. We wish you a happy holiday season.
Red for the peace of a
Morris, do you have any announcements?
Happy holiday, happy holiday.
Oh, hey, Mr. Bowers, how are you doing?
Hello, Mr. Monkey, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Fantastic,
I'm just
fantastic.
thinking about the holidays
Yeah.
and making my plans. What are you going to do?
Well, you know what, I think I'm going to stay home, Mr. Monkey, because that's what Dr. Bernie Henry is telling us to do.
That's
What
a
are you
really good
doing,
idea.
is my question.
Well, I'm going to stay home too, but look,
Good.
I've got a whole bunch of books to read.
Oh, fantastic.
And I'm going to read every day, and I'm going to play out in my backyard, and I might go down to the beach near the school if my mummy monkey lets me, and look for sea glass and maybe build a fort. I'm a bit sad that I won't be able to see my friends though.
But it sounds like you're going to be pretty busy at home, so it's good that you're only staying at home with your family.
I am.
Because
I
you
am.
know how
because
this whole COVID times is.
I want to stay healthy for my family and my grandma especially because she's
Perfect.
kind of old.
And then we can get back
Fine.
to school, back to school in January, and everybody will be healthy.
Yay!
Yay!
And I'm going to wash my hands, I'm going to stay home, and I'm going to read my books. Oops. Oh. Bye, everybody. See you next week.
Thank you, and have a stupendous weekend, everyone.